Hello, everyone. Let's talk about rain. Rain is beautiful. It comes from the sky and makes us feel special. Join me to learn about rain, practice English, and find something in your heart. The rain looks nice. It is water, clear and shiny. Raindrops fall on windows. They look like little stars. The sky is gray, but rain makes everything clean. Trees and grass are green and happy. Do you see raindrops on flowers? They are small and pretty, like tiny smiles. Rain makes sounds. Listen. It goes tap tap on the roof. Sometimes it is soft, like a quiet song. Sometimes it is loud, like drums. Close your eyes. Hear the rain. Does it make you calm? Rain's sound is like music. It helps us feel happy. Rain moves in a fun way. It falls from clouds, slow or fast. Soft rain is gentle. It touches your face like a friend. Fast rain runs and jumps. It makes rivers on the street. Rain dances with the wind. It moves leaves and makes them shake. Watch rain move. It is alive, like a happy child. Rain changes things. It makes the air fresh and cool. Plants drink rain and grow strong. Flowers open after rain, so colorful. Rain helps animals and farmers. It also touches our hearts. When I see rain, I feel quiet and happy. Sometimes I feel sad, but rain washes sadness away. Rain is like a friend. It says, "It's okay. Tomorrow is new." How do you feel when it rains? Why is rain special? Rain gives life. It helps the earth. It helps us too. Rain teaches us to be calm. When it rains, we can sit and think. We can write stories or talk with friends. Rain says, "Slow down. Enjoy today." Rain makes us strong, like plants. Every raindrop is a chance to grow. Every English word you learn is like a raindrop. It makes your mind big and bright. I remember a rainy day. I was sad and missed my family. The rain was soft. It went tap tap on my window. I felt better. The rain was like a hug. It said, "You are not alone." I smiled and wrote a story. That day, rain taught me to feel and grow. Try this, everyone. Next time it rains, please take a look at it. What do you see? What do you hear? Write a small story about rain. Use easy words: wet, shiny, tap tap, happy. Tell your story to a friend. Your English will grow, and your heart will too. Rain is a gift. It makes the world beautiful, and it makes you strong. Thank you, rain, for your lessons. Everyone, let's say together, "Rain, you are my friend." Now write, speak, and feel the rain in your heart. A1. Simple rain. Rain falls from the sky. It is wet and cool. Drops go tap tap on the ground. The grass is shiny. People use umbrellas. The air smells fresh. Rain makes plants happy. Look at the rain. Write its story. Your English will grow. Rain comes softly from the clouds. It makes small drops on windows like music. The ground is wet. and the trees look green. People wear coats. Rain smells clean and nice. It helps flowers grow. Watch the rain and write about it. Your English will be better. Rain falls fast from dark clouds. It hits the ground with a pitter-patter sound. Streets shine and trees dance in the wind. The air feels fresh and cool. People run for cover or laugh in the why. Rain. It makes the world clean. Write a story about rain. Rain cascades in silvery sheets, drumming on rooftops with a rhythmic beat. It paints the streets glossy, reflecting city lights. The air hums with freshness, stirring memories of cozy days. Leaves sway under its gentle touch. Embrace the rain's song and weave its tale in your words. Rain descends in a delicate veil, whispering secrets to the earth. Each drop ripples in puddles, mirroring fleeting skies. Its cadence soothes, yet invigorates, weaving a tapestry of renewal. The world pauses, cleansed. Capture its essence in your writing, and let your English flourish. Rain unfurls like a silken curtain, its percussive symphony enveloping the earth. Each droplet, a transient prism, scatters light across sodden landscapes. It evokes nostalgia, cleansing both soil and soul. The world breathes anew. Craft its narrative, and let your English dance with its timeless rhythm.
What does rain do to the environment? According to the descriptions, A. It makes the air smell bad. B. It helps plants grow and makes the air fresh. C. It stops trees from dancing. D. It makes the ground dry. Please write your answer in the comment section. Thank you for completing the lesson.